Hey guys, welcome to WIGMAKING101.com. I am the founder and instructor of WIGMAKING101.com, where I teach people how to make all types of wigs and hair pieces for fashion, for hair loss, for your clients, for whoever you choose to make wigs for. I am going to be hosting a webinar, and that webinar is going to be called How to Start Your Wig Making Business. In that webinar, I am going to be teaching you the different niches in the business that you can go into when it comes to wig making, and I'm going to give you some simple step-by-step tips that you can do right now in order to get started into that business. So if you're already a student or not a student on WIGMAKING101.com, but you want to know about the business aspect of it and what you can do to further your career as a stylist, as a trichologist, as someone who prefers to work from home, whatever your niche is, I'm going to show you the simple steps that you can take in order to build on that business. This will also be great for those of you who are looking for someone to provide that service for you. I will be teaching how you can provide that particular service. So keep in mind, this is free to current students. So this is going to be a webinar that's free for them. If you are not a current student, the webinar is $39. You can check down below for the link so that you can sign up. I only have a limited amount of space that I'm going to be having into that webinar, so make sure you sign up as soon as possible, because once all of the seats are gone, they're gone. So that's it. You will always have access to this tutorial or this webinar. So once you save your seat, even if you're not able to make it, you are able to watch the video and still be able to ask me questions or anything that you need. This is going to be in a face-to-face style. So that means you're going to see my face and I'm going to also see yours, provided that you allow that to happen, because we will be using an app called Zoom. So if you're not familiar with that app, you will notice you will get an email that mentions how you can download that and how you can be able to get into the course. It will require a password in order for you to get into it. The date is May 1st. That is a Wednesday, and it will be at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So come join me, come learn and see what you can do with making wigs. There's so many niches to it. You guys know me as an instructor in it. You guys know that I also train other companies on this for mass production or for trichologists or for stylists, and I'm going into the whole hair loss business. So yeah, come and join me. Limited seats. It's only so many I can have online, because I want you to be able to ask me questions, and I also want you to be able to get all of the information that you can get out of this particular webinar, this particular course. So the only thing that you'll need is a pen and a paper, and I will see you May 1st at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.